This is an SMC K36 ceiling fan. Also, once again, my friend's house is identical to the one in the pool. Anyway, it's on a solid state control. Quite loud. Not surprised. Quite nice fan for this place. It's my favorite fan for Hong Kong. SMC K36. SMC K36. Quite nice low speed. Maybe go a little faster. It's in the dog room, as you can see. I'm going to turn it to full blast. There, moves a great amount of air. Quite a nice fan. Anyway, going to turn it off. Anyway, sure, but if it's spin down, this is a long spin down, I think. Since it's an SMC industrial ceiling fan. And anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.